Now, if there's one thing I'm guilty of and that I've done in the past myself was panic selling. Now, keep in mind, you cannot lose any money if you do not sell your coins. Here's why. It's the value of the coins that can go up and down, but the number of coins you have is what matters. So if you have 100 coins today, you're going to have 100 coins in 1 month from now, or a year from now, or in 10 years from now if you don't sell them. So all you need to do is wait that the price goes up before thinking of cashing out. And you'll never lose money as long as you invest in coins that have a utility and that are here to stay, such as, Bitcoin, Ethereum. There's plenty coins that are here to stay. And the only way you could lose money is if you sell at a price lower than you paid for. So if you purchased here and the price went down and you sold there, for sure you're going to lose money. But if you just wait that the price goes back up, because what goes up must come down and what comes down must go up, you just need to be patient and wait that the price goes up to a price that you want to sell it at, where you could take a profit. In my opinion, people who do panic selling are people who cannot afford what they've invested. If you're in it for the long run, whether you wait 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year that the price goes back up, that's irrelevant if you can afford to let the money fluctuate. But one thing's for sure, and that's a hard lesson I learned, I never panic sell anymore. No matter what I see in social medias or on YouTube, I understood a long time ago that when things are done, they eventually go back up. So all you need to do is do like me and be patient when you see prices go down. And when prices go down, obviously, it's a good opportunity to buy the dip. Please move on to the next part of the training.